I'm going to show you 4 easy steps in how to refurbish your 1990 Mustang Cowl vent grill. Let's go! Welcome in. This is Randino the Randini, and the channel is for those who want to see how a person with no mechanic or bodywork experience tackles a car restoration project. Today, we're working on our dilapidated cowl vent with 4 easy steps. By the way, we'll have an amazing before and after reveal, so stay tuned. Now we're going to need supplies like this trim and bumper paint. We're also going to need all-purpose cleaner, flathead screwdriver, a number 2 Phillips driver, some paper towels, and a scrubbing pad. Let's get to work. Step 1 is to remove the cowl. We need to remove the cowl vent. There are 6 Phillips screws, 2 screws on this end, 2 in the middle, and 2 on the other end. After the screws, we need to remove the passenger side windshield wiper arm. Pull the wiper arm up and slide the locking pin up, and pull the arm off the post. If it has been a while since the arm was removed, then it may take some wiggling to remove the wiper arm. We also need to disconnect the window spritzer, which is held in with a single Phillips screw. Step 2. Scrub and clean the grill. It is very important to clean thoroughly. Why is that, you ask? A pro tip shared with me, and now I'm passing along this nugget to you. The paint will not adhere to the grill if it is dirty. As soon as the dirt comes off, so will the paint. Spray the entire vent with all-purpose cleaner and let it sit for a few minutes. Then scrub the cowl front and back. I know that some use wet sandpaper, but the scrubbing sponge worked fine for me. Now use the paper towel to get in between the blades and some finer details of the grill. Remember, we want to clean well to ensure the paint sticks. After all that cleaning and scrubbing, and the paper towel is disgusting. I let the cowl dry for about 10 to 15 minutes. It needs to be completely dry. In colder climates, drying may take longer. For me, painting is the most fun part of this job, but it is also nerve-wracking to make sure that it's done correctly. Okay, you need to shake the can for about a minute to get it nice and stirred up. When painting, we need to make sure we get a nice even coat with no runs or overspray. It is best to dust the coats on. The first coat is to set the base. Do not attempt to completely cover the grill with this coat. Let it dry for 10 minutes before we apply another coat. Our second coat is where we expect more coverage. However, we need to follow the same principles we used in coat 1. We need to paint in the same direction. Use a single sweeping motion and avoid spraying in one spot too long. Again, we need to wait 10 minutes. You may wonder why 10 minutes between coats? Well, because the product instructions say so. This allows the paint to dry and adhere to the grill. We will apply the third and final coat. 3 coats is all we need to complete the paint job for this project. Weather and climate will dictate if more coats are needed. Before we hop on to step 4, I want to let you know we have included a before and after comparison toward the end, so stay tuned for that reveal. Step 4. Reassemble the cowl grill. Let's put the cowl in and see how this newly painted part looks. We'll put the screws back in and get the windshield wiper reattached. Interesting look behind the curtain. I removed the screws and 4 out of 6 of them were different sizes. The factory does not do something like that. So someone before me has removed the cowl and lost the original screws. So I had to replace those with the correct ones. This car amazes me with the kind of work someone else attempted before I did. If I see these issues as a novice, you know the work was poorly done. Speaking of poorly done work, I forgot to attach the windshield spritzer. Great, I get to go in and try again. Don't worry, it will only take a minute to correct, but it's a bummer anyway. As we reattach the wiper arm, we need to remember how we removed it. Pull up on the wiper arm, dock the wiper arm on the post, then lock the wiper arm in place with the sliding pin, and then lay the wiper arm down. What a difference that paint job makes. That's a great looking part. Hey, why don't you check out some of our other videos?
Thanks for watching. Go ahead and subscribe. You haven't done it already? Don't forget to smash the thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and of course leave comments. I love the interaction.